Warning: viewer discretion advised. Hi everyone! Today we are going to make this 3D jelly of a beetle, larva, and pupa. Look at this package. It looks super realistic, doesn't it? Can it really turn out like this? Here's what the larva looks like. And here's the pupa. It's a bit nerve-wracking, isn't it? When I saw this in the store, I was honestly shocked. But I'm excited to give it a try. Let's start with the larva. There are two kinds of powder inside, and a tray for making it. Look! The tray is shaped like a larva. It's really realistic and big, right? Cut the mold in half and connect the two pieces. Make sure they are tightly sealed, or the mixture will leak out. Now, the 3D larva mold is ready. Let's get started. We will begin with the larva's head. Pour water up to the line in the tray, then add the powder. It smells like cola. Mixing is a little tricky, so be gentle. The color is deep and glossy. Super realistic. It really does look like a larva's head. How does it look? Pretty good, right? Now pour the mixture into the mold using a spoon little by little. Work quickly. Here's how it looks from a different angle, very full and three-dimensional. It seems like it starts to harden after about 1 minute. Next is the larva's body. Add water to the line in the tray. It's quite a bit this time. Then add the body powder and mix. This one is yogurt soda flavor. Wow, this cloudy white color really looks like a larva's body, doesn't it? Like this? Oops, some clumps are still there. Mix it well. Now, spoon it into the mold, a little at a time. Keep going. Oh no, it's starting to set, getting thicker and harder to pour. Let's hurry! It's getting chunky, but I'll shake it a bit and try to push it into the mold. How's that? Looks like it's in. There are some uneven parts, but let's call it good. Now, it goes in the fridge to chill and set. I'm so excited to see how it turns out. Next is a beetle pupa. This one also looks super realistic. Open it up, and inside are two more powder packets in deep colors, a tray, and a pupa-shaped mold. Cut out the mold parts. It's really realistic and big, right? Now, add water to the tray, pour in the brown powder and mix. This one is cola too. Wow, this brown color with a shiny look is very realistic too. Stir it well. Once it's mostly mixed, coat both sides of the mold with the mixture. This step makes the outer surface of the pupa look more realistic. It's a bit tricky, but I'll do my best. It sets quickly, so it's kind of hard, but maybe the uneven look adds to the realism. Let's stay positive. Quickly coat both sides all the way to the edges. It's a bit tough, but I want to do it carefully because it will affect the final look. What do you think? The shading looks really realistic, doesn't it? Once it's fully coated, we will combine the two halves of the mold. Press them together firmly. Like this. Wow, it already looks super real. Next, add water to the tray and pour in the white powder. Mix well. This one is lemon soda. This glidey white is also very realistic. Stir it quickly because it sets fast. Once mixed, pour it into the mold with a spoon. This time I managed to do it before it hardened. Like this. Take a look. It looks like this. And here's the back side. The mold details are so fine, it's impressively realistic. Now, into the fridge to chill. Oh, done! It's preset! Here are both of them together, still in the molds, but they look incredibly realistic. Let's open them up. Honestly, I'm a bit scared to eat them. Gently. Wow, it's done! The shine and color totally look like a really rubber. The shape is a bit off, but let's not worry too much. So far, so good. Now for the pupa. Gently. Yes, it's done! Look at that, total success! Oops, let's just pretend we didn't see that. It's over 5 centimeters long, very big. And it's got a bouncy feel when you touch it. It takes some courage to eat. It's so realistic. It's hard to believe this is actually a jelly. It's almost scary how really it looks. But let's try it. Itadakimasu. Starting with the larva's body. Delicious! It's yogurt soda flavored, soft and jiggly, super tasty. Now for the head. It looks a bit gross. I'll try not to think about it while eating. It's cola flavored and delicious. Now let's try the pupa. Kinda scary. Warning, viewer discretion advised. Oh! I was surprised. Cola and lemon soda flavor really tasty. So what did you think? It was a pretty unique DIY candy kit, but if you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!